Hi, hello. Welcome to IC Project video tutorial session. In today's episode, I'm going to show you how to manage a particular task and what functionalities does a task in IC Project offer. Um, Starting from this view, let me show you the process by using the how to use Kanban board project, and I'm going to use sales pipeline as an example. So let's have a look at it. This is a classical sales pipeline, and my task, Berlinex, a company, is in the qualified lead status. Well, basically, I don't have to click into the the tasks because I'm giving a certain information who is doing this task. So me, basically, and Peter Smith. I'm also provided with how many attachments, how many comments, and how many checklists, and the progress of the checklists there are in this task. And also I have a report showing me how much reported, how much, yeah, reported time we have on this task. And of course, the description, which in a sales pipeline shows you the address and contact information. So let's have a look at particular tasks. Let's have a look at Berlinex task. And starting from top down, you can change the name, basically, save it for later. You can also change the deadlines of the task here and there. Of course, not everybody is going to be able to change the deadlines of the task because we have certain permissions in ICP, and default permissions do not allow users from outside of the task to change the deadline, and only the person who created the task in the task can change the deadline. A project manager, a group leader, so this board's leader, and systems administration, so person who runs IC project in your company. So only few people can change the deadline on a task. What's more, you can basically change the status of this task by clicking here and change it to a certain status or a column for your convenience. I can see who created the task and on what day. I can see the number, which serves me well if I want to search this particular task. What's more, you can give different levels of priority. Let's have a look to a task. I can also give a read only option, right? Furthermore, let's have a look at this section. You can add checklists, of course, and you can delegate particular checklist to a particular user, which means that I am not going to be able to change and work on a person's checklist, right? But I will be able to work on my checklist, and it's going to show me the progress in real time. What's more important, it's, ICP is going to give you the possibility to label your task so that you can basically then later on use Task Manager, which is this option and this option here, to filter and manage your tasks more effectively. Furthermore, you can, of course, add a reminder and set a date to a task, and the system will send a notification reminding you about this task. Just as you can see, only you will receive an email reminder of this task. Of course, how to provide tasks history by adding, of course, comments like here. And basically you can, insert links. They are all clickable, so you're going to be redirected to a particular link. And this is how you provide, a history of cooperation with a company in terms of sales pipeline. Okay, so let's have a look at this top menu. So basically you have the 3 comments, and now we can go to people section. Here you can delegate this task to further delegate it to any other people. Here you can send reminders. Reminder has been sent to various people, right? And what else? Here you can attach files. You can drag and drop them. That's not a problem. So you drag and drop the attachment on a task, but here you will have more options. So you can filter your attachments, and you can download them or upload files. If it comes to uploading, here we offer certain integrations. As you can see, Google Drive, Dropbox, and OneDrive. Also, you can basically upload it from your device. Of course, you can record an audio of a conversation right into this task, and basically you can record screen here too. So a lot of options. And now working time. But working time and reporting time is an option which I'm going to discuss later on in the report and working time section. And then, of course, stream, which is so useful if it comes to showing you what's going on with regard to certain actions performed by certain users. So it's a report, right? Real-time report. Okay. Let's have a look at this section. You can, of course, chat about this task. You can open work timer here, but I'm not going to talk about it right now. You can copy this task URL to clipboard, and then insert it as a comment right here. What else? You can create a shortcut to this task. Of course, you can copy and move this task to some other project, which is quite useful, and save it as a template. And then if you find this task to be repetitive in other projects, you might want to choose a template if you have saved it previously, that is. Furthermore, you can export it into a chosen format or remove, but I don't recommend this option at all. So this is how you basically manage a task. This is how you work on a task in IC project, and these are functionalities. Thank you for your attention. Have a great day, and drop a like. Don't forget to subscribe, and take care. Cheers.